stayed for too long, and I woke up at your place again. And all this time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that he would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then it's worth the while. Can't get enough of this, thought of you as stay for a while and I'll be here.
It is Tuesday right now,
Yep.
the day after our wedding. Okay, so I'm going to get a massage right now with my mom, my sister, and niece, and Chris is going to return his tux. Well, bring it downstairs so they can come get it, and then he's either gonna hang out in the room and relax or go down and gamble, because at 6:15 tonight we have reservations for Benihana, and yeah, that's gonna be good. We're excited about that. We went to bed at 3 o'clock and I woke up at 5:30. I am tired. My voice is even tired. Like my whole body is tired.
Your life is tired, man.
Yeah. So we're gonna go meet my mom and then go to get a massage.
Thank you.
I just got done getting my massage. I came back to the hotel room. Chris was just hanging out there, and now we are going to Benihana's.
Benihana.
Yes. We're gonna go there with my parents and my brother, nephew, and his girlfriend, and my brother's friend. So this should be some good food. I am tired. I went to bed last night at 3 o'clock and I got up at 5:30, and I've been going ever since. I have not been able to sleep. So
And I'm starting to get a little bit of a headache, so we're gonna try to cure that.
yeah, we're trying. I realize that I'm not meant for this life.
She's not no spring chicken no more.
I'm not. I don't know how Tammy's doing it. She is such
It's
a
like
trooper.
me, you just realize that you just do it.
Yeah, but we're having fun, right?
Yeah. So far.
Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home.
No, this is not the boat that they had, hun. No.
Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm.
That is what we call a Spencer.
I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home.
So it is Wednesday. I don't know the last time that I was filming, but it's Wednesday. Whoa, it's Wednesday right now. Chris is golfing and doing some goat carts with the boys, and I just went to New York with my parents, and we did some gambling. I did some shopping. I picked some stuff up for the kids, and I've been drinking. I've been drinking a lot. I think I'm gonna go and pick my mom up right now so then we can go and do some more shopping. I would say New York is my favorite place we've been to so far for gambling, and for them, just like you sitting at the bar, or not the bar, you sitting at a machine gambling, and they bring you drinks. Like, they are really good at it, or with that. MGM, I'm not a fan of. I'm not really a fan of MGM, but anyways, let me show you guys my drink. Look at that. I got the big one. My mom got, I think, 1 or 2 sizes down. I look horrible right now. I look so tired. I threw a little bit of makeup on this morning because my sister texted me and she said that they were coming to the MGM. They're not staying here. They're staying at a different casino. She texted me and she said that they were going to come to our casino to have breakfast. So we rushed downstairs to go have breakfast with them. And yeah, so I think I'm going to get a hold of my mom so we can meet up and we can go and do some more shopping before Chris gets done, because I do want to take like a nice long bubble bath before the show tonight. And Chris wants to go to some Chinese restaurant, but I'm kind of thinking no on that and maybe eating somewhere else, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see. So, but I do want to like shower and like get all my hair done and makeup and everything like that. So I will touch base with you guys a little bit later. We are going to the Bellagio right now, and we're gonna go see the show called O. I think the last time that I filmed, I was going to take you guys with me when my mom and I went shopping. Well, I didn't. And then after that, I went back up to the room, and then my sister got a hold of me, and we went and did some more shopping. And then we also went on the roller coaster at New York. And that was a lot of fun. And then I just came back up to the room and I got ready for the show tonight. So that's where